We know you've dreamt of a place where nature is still the protagonist, a place some call enchanted. But how you see it matters. With Metropolitan Touring, we don't just show you the islands, we connect you to their very soul. Aboard our expedition cruises, luxury meets genuine immersion. Sea-level boarding means you're always just steps from the water. Whether you're seeking family adventure or quiet tranquility, our Galapagos cruises are designed to make your dream a reality. With 3 expert naturalist guides and the perfect amount of space, you get intimate wildlife encounters without the crowds. This is your once-in-a-lifetime expedition, flawlessly delivered. Metropolitan Touring. We make it happen. Book your Galapagos adventure today.